Okay, it's 9:20 a.m. Thursday morning. It's September 26, 2024. Take a quick look at my account. Currently at $288, same amount here in settled cash that I can trade with. I've taken a couple small losses on my $300 account and equaling about $12. So my goal today is to at least try to bring this up to 300, which is what I like to maintain, or as close to 300 as I can get it. We'll see how the market treats me this morning. So I will pause and come back once the market opens. It's 9:41 a.m. Eastern. We're about 12 minutes into the market, and not a lot going on again as far as the top five gainers. Very slow morning here. It's kind of been that way all week for some reason, but just going through the top five, looking for a potential trade. I'll pause and come back. Watching DUO. Trying to get up towards that dollar mark. Showing some life here. I do have an order roughly ready for 200 shares at the current price. Watching this very close for a potential scalp. High of day is 94.10. It's already broken that. If this continues, possibly one more candle, I will consider taking a position, see if I can get a little piece of this. It acts like it wants to break through $1. It's 95 cents right now. Again, high of day is 97 cents even. Waiting for that next candle coming right about now. Let's see if this can hold. Okay, in this trade with 200 shares at 93.50. I'm going to just bring my take profit down a little bit to $1.02. It has not broken $1 yet, but I'm just guessing on that. I am in with 200 shares at 93.50. Profit and loss is down here as usual. I'm going to have to let this trade breathe, I'm afraid, for a little bit to see what it's going to do. Hopefully, this upward movement will continue on for another candle or two. We'll have to see. Been showing nice strength. See if some buyers can pull this up. Have a take profit set still at $1.02, just as a guesstimate. I'm not sure if it will hit $1 or break through. It has not done that yet this morning. DUO is the second highest gainer in the market currently, up 85%. We do have a lot of sellers here on this ticker right now. Again, I'm in with 200 shares at 93.50. Looking to take some sort of profit out of this. Starting to come up somewhat. Going to pull my take profit down to 99. See if we can touch that. Sellers are back in. Now buyers. Kind of a battle back and forth here between both, going back and forth. am going to pull my take profit down even farther. This trade is lasting longer than I would like. High of day is 97 even. I'm going to set this at 96, 94. Yeah, I'm not really trusting this to climb much higher, but you never know. 93.50 is my entry price. Still pulling my take profit down because I'm not trusting this stagnant price it's kind of holding at. It's coming back to life a little bit, so I'm going to move my take profit up just a tad to about 97 even. That's its high of day. I would like to see it at least reach that again. I think I'm going to really pull my take profit down and see if I can get out of this thing. I'm just not trusting it. It tends to be struggling. I have it set for 95.80 for my take profit to get out, just to get something out of this. There we go, and we are out with some profit. Market's been tough all week. It's just so much indecision out there this week. Let's go take a look at my account. Okay, that was $4.56. Not a lot, but better than a negative $4.56. That equals a 1.5%, about 1.6% gain on my total account value. All right. So I don't know. We will see if we can get another trade here coming up. Currently up to $293. Still a little below my $300 that I like to trade with. So I'll pause and see if I can get another trade in here. Still watching Duo. It is trying to break through the previous high of $1.03. And I'm waiting to see if it has the strength to do that. I have an order ready for 100 shares. Currently the top gainer up in the market, up 108, and it just made a new high. I will watch this for just a few more seconds. I may jump in and take another small position on it. Price went up. I need to do 90 shares. I'm going to give it just a few seconds here. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get a little more on this. Probably being a little greedy at the moment. If I can just get a tad, I'll be happy. I have my take profit set at $1.11. I have 90 shares. I'm in this traded at $1.05. Again, I'm just trying to scalp just a tad. This is my second trade on this same ticker. I'm going to get out of this. All right, we are out. Traded the same ticker twice, made profit on both. Let's see where we're at total for the day. All right, made profit on both trades, same stock. Made $8.14 for the day. That's a 2.8% gain on my total account value for the day. Pretty happy with that. Market's been flaky this week, at least on the top 5. It's been kind of tough trading. So I'll take 2 wins in a row on the same ticker. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to go about my day and watch for the next video.